My betalicious person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. This now open Heaven's Day Devotional in Pidgin English for Wednesday, will be the 11th day of September 2024. Our topic for today now, receiving prophecies. Receiving prophecies. Our Bible reading for today, it comes from the book of 2 Kings chapter 7 from verse 1 to 17. 2 Kings chapter 7 from verse 1 go chook body enter 17. Elisha answer, make una hear God word. By this time tomorrow, 3 kilos for the best flour and 6 kilos for barley. Una go buy am with 1 silver. One of the king officer answer am, abeg, that one no fit happen. Even if God sef drop food from heaven, e no go fit happen. Elijah answer am, you go see am happen, but you no chop for inside. 4 men wey get disease for body sit down for the town gate. So dem come tell themselves say, wetin make us just sit down here dey wait the time wey we go move? If we enter the town, hungry fit kill us. If we stay here, hungry go still kill us. So make we go Syria soldiers camp. The highest wey dem go fit do na to kill us, but maybe dem fit still sorry for us. So as the day dey dark, dem come go Syria soldiers camp. But when dem reach there, dem no see anybody, because God don make the Syria soldiers hear sound wey be like say many soldiers with their chariot dey come fight dem. So the Syria soldiers come tell themselves say, see, Israel king don go hire Hittite and Egypt kings with their soldiers so that they go come attack us. So that evening, Syria soldiers run leave their camp, their horse, donkey and everything wey dem get for their camp. When the 4 men reach the camp domot, dem enter the tent, chop and drink belle full, come collect and go hide the silver and gold and cloth wey dem see. Dem come enter another tent, come do the same thing for that place. Dem go tell each other say, we no suppose do like this. We get better news and we must go tell our people. If we wait until tomorrow morning before we talk, the king go punish us. So make we go now and go tell the king officer. So dem go Samaria, come tell the guards wey dey the gate say, we go Syria soldiers camp, we no see anybody for there. Dem run leave all their horse, donkey and the tent be as dem take leave am. The guard announce the news and come go tell the king. By that time, day don dark well well. But the king come tell the officer say, I go tell una wetin Syria soldiers dey plan. Dem know say hungry wan kill person, so dem come leave their camp go hide, because dem dey hope say we go leave our town go find food for their camp. Dem go come catch us alive, go conquer this town. One of the officers answer am, the people wey dey the town don tire already, because dem be like people wey don already die. So make we send men with 5 horses from the ones wey remain for the town. Even if dem kill them, na the same thing go still happen to everybody wey dey Israel, because all of us go sick move. So make we send them go, so that they go really know wetin happen for them. So they choose some men, and the king come send them go with some chariots. Say make una go look wetin happen to Syria soldiers. As the men dey travel dey go Jordan area, na cloth and sword wey Syria soldiers drop as dem dey roll full the road. So they come go back go tell the king wetin dem see. Then Samaria people rush enter Syria camp, come pack everything wey dey there. And as God talk, 3 kilo of the best flour or 6 kilo of the best corn come sell for 1 pieces of silver. So Israel king come put the officer as guide for the town gate, but the people march and move for there, just as Elisha tell the servant say he go see the thing, but he no chop am. Our memory verse today na from 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 20, wey talk say, make una not take God word wey person talk as yeye thing. What could dive enter today's message? Don't forget, my better person, abeg help us like this video, subscribe to this channel and on the notification bell so that you go dey receive more videos. Thank you. Many a times, God dey give prophecies wey dey sound impossible to the human mind. And this one dey make people dey doubt the prophecy and even dey miss out on the prophecies. When you hear prophecy wey sound too good to be true, or the thing hard you to believe, the best thing wey you just do at that time na to keep quiet. Don't talk anything against the prophecy, because if you do, the thing will not come to pass for your very eye. For today Bible reading, the minister open his mouth to say, I beg, you don't believe what Elisha prophesy. The prophecy come to pass, but because of what he talk, he don't live to experience am. What we talk or what we do after we receive prophecy, it matter a lot. God tell Abraham for Genesis chapter 17 verse 4 and for Genesis 26 verse 3 to 4 say, he go be father of nations, and say his children go plenty as the stars within for inside sky. At that time, yeah, the wife already old and they don't get any pikin at all. Even though Abraham believed God and they count out as righteousness for Genesis chapter 15 verse 6, the prophecy don't come to pass immediately. And it can't be that anything don't go come to pass. And so Sarah can carry Hagar, give Abraham, so I thought they go get children. Don't forget, say Hagar that has girl. Despite this one, God still tell am again for Genesis chapter 17 verse 1 say, make he walk before her blameless and make dey perfect. And God can repeat the same prophecy again. This time, Abraham doubt her for inside his heart, Genesis 17 verse 17. But he don't talk and come aside for him mouth. No, he go try another alternative outside God's will. God tell us to make he circumcise all the male for inside his house as a sign of this covenant with him. And Abraham obey. Although he doubt God for his heart, he was and the actions not express and they don't show him. Later, for Genesis chapter 18, God appeared to him, and 9 months after, they come born Isaac. If your mouth and the things what you dey do, then they agree with God promises for you, then they talk no to God promises, no matter how unbelievable those promises be, you will see them come to pass. For me, when God tell me something where they unbelievable, I go start to tell those people where God don't allow me to share them with. I don't allow my human mind to process them so that I think they say, you shall say go happen. No, I dey confess the prophecy every time so that it go become real to me. When God tell me say he go build city for me, I don't even afford to build my own house, but I begin the announce, I give everybody we care to hear. Today, God don't fulfill that prophecy. When God show me trailers where they carry cows, they call feed crowd, we go they attend our programs, I begin the announce, I give people. Even though say at that time we don't get money to even buy half dozen of cows, but today that prophecy it don't come to pass. What will be our key point for today's lesson? When God talks something where they're too good to be true, repeat it with your mouth, and you will see it come to pass for your life. Now here we take up to the end of today's message. Don't forget, say our topic for today is receiving prophecies. And now from inside Open Heavens Daily Devotional, we be saying a book where Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Worldwide, write, and then the message for come. And now on top here, your Google channel, Favors blog, that you can receive today dose of the message. I want to thank all our subscribers, but I beg, if you never joined us, what you will do, you could like this video, subscribe to this channel, and for all our subscribers and new ones, help us share this video so that this thing will go far and wide. We will see for our next video, but before our next video, I want to thank all of you that where the followers the day here, and my prayer be say make it better for all of you that well done.
Everybody come do it. I got dominion.
Are you ready to take hold of your business? Do you yearn for a life of purpose and impact? Is the call to dominion burning within you? Then it is time to rise above. Join the International Youth Convention of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, tagged Dominion. Date is September 30th to October 4th, 2024. The venue is RCCG Redemption City, Kilometer 46, Lagos Ibadan Expressway, Ogun State, Nigeria. Ministering is Pastor E.A. Adeboye and other ministers of God. God has declared your dominion at this convention. Learn to embrace it. Register today and prepare to be empowered.